Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you protect a media resource from accidentally being deleted in Wondershare Filmora project. So Wondershare Filmora basically is a video and audio editing software that allows you to create professional quality videos. While creating a video project, you have multiple files to work upon. So to prevent accidental deletion of any of the media files, there is a feature provided in Wondershare Filmora that allows you to lock the particular track. Okay, so suppose you have created all the requirements that you want in one track and you just don't want anything to happen to that track, so you can lock that particular track. How? This we will see in this video. The process is pretty simple. Let's just export one video file we have exported. Okay, so suppose whatever manipulations I want, I have done in this track. Okay, then what do I do is I just lock this track. There is this lock icon. So as soon as I click on this, what happens is this track becomes unusable. I can play the video, I can see the video being played, but this particular track is locked. If I want, I can not do anything over these. I cannot cut, copy, paste, delete. I cannot do anything else. Okay, all I can do is just view the video. Okay, this is view only, but this is not a secure way of doing this. This is just to prevent accidental deletion, because if you just click on this lock icon again, then it would become enabled again, and all these options would be available to me. I can just actually make changes into the track as much as I want. So this is just to prevent an accidental deletion while working on the project. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.